Hi, I am Dr. Damian Goldvarg, and I am very excited because I am coming back to Australia after 10 years, and I am going to be in a tour visiting Sydney and Melbourne. And this project is in collaboration with Janine Bailey, Pauline Trigiani, and Shane Warren, who are supporting me to do these presentations in Melbourne first on November 21st. I am going to be in the morning discussing post-COVID leadership strategies. I'm going to share with you the work that I have been doing for the last year that concluded in a book that I am publishing coming up soon. And I'm going to be exploring what are the challenges that leaders are facing post-COVID, what are some of the strategies that they are developing to deal with them. And in the afternoon, I am going to be talking about team coaching and how to facilitate effectively the work of teams by developing strategies that support teams to go to the next level of performance. These two topics are going to be presented again in Sydney on December 29th. And finally, on December 1st, I am going to be doing a session on group supervision. And I hope that you can join me. It's going to be very exciting being able to be back in person and share with you some of the work that I have been doing for the last few years. Looking forward to meeting you there.